Tom, I'm gonna fuck up your food, huh?
Oh my gosh. You not even worried about your food, worried about my food. Shut up. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have sorry.
No. Tell them what we got.
Today we have turn call meal.
AKA turn call meal in Jamaica. Jamaican family know, but we call it turn. You could call it turn call meal.
Yes. I'm gonna say it. My husband. It is. It's seasoned.
Yeah.
So it has corn, carrot, peas, all kind of stuff.
It's nice thing in there.
In the turn call meal.
Turn call meal.
And we have some fried fish or some stewed down fried fish.
This look delicious. That look spectacular.
It's been fried and then sauced all over itself with some okra and some pear, aka avocado.
But wait first, and give me a chance. You're going too fast. You don't want me to talk. This meal was catered by Mama Duke, Shanice's mother. Big up yourself. Sexy sipping JJ the Blue. So this meal was catered by her. She did all of this.
Yes, she even came up with the presentation. She said, "This is how I want you guys to present it."
For real.
And this is what I want. And she's been envisioning cooking this for us.
Yes.
For months now.
Yes.
So we're gonna dig in. And family, I don't have an outfit of the day for you today. I might have one for you tomorrow. Might.
Go and talk to them and go and taste it. Okra. Our family member know what that is already, but some people don't know. That's okra. Mommy.
Yo,
I'm a tear of your food in the tongue. This is.
You said that earlier. I thought you was joking.
Oh my God.
Delicious. So, because we having fish, we got to come out with the
metal
forks.
The heavy artillery. Yo. Damn. Mama, do you put your foot in this one? My gosh.
So, turn call meal. Excuse me. Turn call meal is basically what it is. Cornmeal. And we have different ways to make it. We make it with, like how my mother made it. With all kind of stuff in there. And you use coconut milk. And you cook it down. Whoa, rice keep on jumping out of my mouth. Then we have another way where we make it sweet. Where we use coconut milk again. But we don't put any carrot, red pepper, green pepper, onions. We don't put none of that stuff in there. We just cook it down with the coconut milk. And you have to constantly keep on stirring it. And the trick is you want it to be thick so that you can eat it with butter. Okay? It's almost like our version of grits.
Yes.
But it's not, it's more thicker.
Your version of grits, not my version. We got the Pepsi on deck. We using it. I love it. But yo, you show them somebody turn camel?
Did I?
I'm gonna show you. Okay, hold on.
This is so good.
Okay, hold on. Tell me if it's... Take a seat.
Let me see.
Good. No? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, hope so. But yeah. The presentation for me. This fish is priced so good too. Seasoned so good.
It's okra.
Okra.
Now, when I eat okra,
my sauce.
hey baby, I don't like my okra to be whole, like how this is. But what I do is I bite it. Right? If I put that whole okra in my mouth,
too big for her.
Can't manage it. I have to bite it. And then I can eat it.
Mommy, thank you for the big fish. I can't wait to appreciate the food.
Turn cornmeal.
Turn up, you know?
Good, man.
Wow. When Mama Duke's in town, we don't play. She doesn't play.
She doesn't. Listen, family. I'm not gonna lie. I'm telling the business.
Huh.
Yesterday, my mother made some seafood. It was so good.
I got a little clip of it too.
Yeah? It was so good, family.
Nice.
Should we show them?
Yeah, show them.
We're gonna show it to you.
The mother-in-law in the house. When the mother-in-law in the house, this is what we get. Talk to them, mommy. Let them know.
Stuff go down when I'm here, baby.
Stuff go down. Stuff go down.
And as the sauce bubbling.
And then we got sauce bubbling. You know? Then we got the sauce bubbling over here. That's right. We are back. I got caught up in the goodness.
So, that's what we had yesterday. We were supposed to do a video on it, family.
We couldn't make it.
We couldn't make it.
Couldn't make it to the video. We couldn't make it to the video, family. I'm not even gonna lie, I ain't capping and that. We couldn't make it today. We had to eat it right there before it's too late, or we won't participate.
Oh, honey, I'm back now. I can eat pear again.
Ah, I see. I see if you eat here now. This is delicious.
Let me tell you something. If you could taste this.
Wow.
See, this is how it looks. See? Cornmeal. Just like that.
That's cornmeal. That's what it's called, ton cornmeal.
Yeah, because you have to keep on mixing it, turning it to get it. Yeah, but.
This is our version of grits. Right down. How you good people doing there? God damn it. We just got caught, so caught up, my gosh.
This reminds me of when my mother fried fish in Key West. That fish was so good.
Fresh right out the ocean.
Right out the ocean.
That was delicious. You tore that fish head up that day. You were starving, son.
I'm starving.
Wow.
I can't even talk.
Let's eat. Let's eat. We good.
I can't even talk, family.
Can't. This is. This hit the spot.
The corn that she put in the
Wow.
So you ever make so much noise when you drink your juice?
Yeah, why you love watching when I drink my juice, my youth?
Yeah.
I'm like jealous when I drink my juice, my youth.
I drink water.
You know, watch a man drink my juice. Why you gotta make so much noise when you throw water?
Yeah. I'm throwing the water.
Wow.
Oh. I actually want to drink too much water because. Look at my peers.
This is good.
For all of our Yardi family members, them, you yam this?
For real.
Because not everybody in Jamaica, not everybody in Jamaica yam turn common. And we're not gonna say why.
Exactly.
But the family members who are from Jamaica
Maybe
know
they
why. And some people just can't eat it.
Well, let us know, our Jamaican peoples.
It's nothing nasty. It's just.
Damn. Wow. Let me
There's a big fish in
I'll
that.
get it again. I know it's a big fish you got. Wow. Family, this is good.
They don't. You guys don't know. The sad part is, I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. This is the sad part. You guys will never be able to taste this. Neither will we. After today. You see my mother? Although she's a good cook, if she makes something once, don't ask her to make it again. She just don't know. She don't know how. If you say, "Mommy, that was the best turn corn meal I ever had. Can you make it exactly like how you made it March the 30th, 2021? Can't do it again.
You just freestyle as you go. That's how it is.
Matter of fact, when she was in the kitchen, and I tasted, I said, "Oh my God, this turn corn meal is delicious." I said, "You won't be able to make this again, right?" She's like, "You're damn right."
Barbeton.
Oh my goodness, always.
Yep, got me. It's all good.
Excuse me.
How's your day going so far, good peoples? Going better now because I asked? It happens sometimes though, man. Come on now. It's happens sometimes. When you get caught up in the madness of some delicious food. You know how it is already.
I have a whole piece of turn corn meal left.
Yeah.
I make all my fingers them.
No choice. Mommy got up in there. Hey! With that seasoning. No cap. Wow.
Bone. You're taking your time today. It's good. You're eating fish. I'm glad.
I know how you get when I eat fish. You want me to talk? Oh my gosh. What happened? What happened? Why are you keeping the food over? Wow! Not that one. Come on now, family. Not that time yet. Put that fish head right now.
The amount of time I lick my fingers in this video. My God. I'm eating fish so.
You have to. Wow.
I wonder if the kids then would eat the turn corn meal. If they would try it. I wonder if they would like it. Okay, you know, a Yankee them that you know.
Yankee them man, Yankee picking them. Who's calling you?
Oh!
Alright?
You drink me man. And I Key West fish that. Key West fish don't juke me. Yes, Steve. No, sada.
People know you're doing video.
I got me answer. I bet you it's mommy. Want to know how's it going? How did it taste?
She will know by the video.
Good.
Spectacular family. I enjoy every bit. I don't know you actually, mommy. You know I enjoy your food. Big up yourself again.
Okay. To eat this.
Yeah. Well, I'm done now. Wow.
You still have fish.
Yeah, I still got fish. Wait, I ain't ready yet.
Because your fish done.
You gotta eat the head, son.
You know what I like about this fish? Remind me of Richie's fish. Well, even though it's crispy on the outside, even though she put gravy on there,
Still crispy.
it's still crispy. Excuse me, pig. It's still crispy.
I'm going for the Gatorade now. Appreciate that again.
Not one, but two. You brought one to work? You brought Gatorade to work?
Of course. Appreciate that. Sharon and James, for real, comes right in handy. You know me.
It does.
Yes. No cap.
Amazing.
Family, we appreciate for all the movies y'all send us.
Oh, yes.
We got a lot. So we gotta jot them down on my face.
We're going to, we having a lot of movies to watch. What are you gonna say, honey?
No, if we're gonna jot them and watch them one by one.
Listen,
We appreciate that.
I know you know right now, okay? We're going to give you guys our honest opinion. So if you don't like the movie, or
Yeah.
it wasn't as scary,
Or something that way, we gonna give you our honest opinion.
we're going to tell you.
Yeah, we ain't going around the bush, you know?
You understand?
Well, yeah. You know what I'm saying?
But our family members, look, I said they gave us some good choices.
movie.
Yeah.
Some good choice of movie.
Good choice of movie. I was like, wow.
Alright.
Oh, man, look at that. I'm full, honey.
You gonna put that down for later?
Give me my beer.
I'm gonna put that down for later.
I'm full, but I want to keep on eating. You can't do it, though.
First day full. First day full. I'm gonna finish mine.
I know you are. You ever just said that when you was little? I know you are, but what am I? What was the point of that?
For real. Fish is seasoned.
My mother's like Richie. When they cook, they have to put every single color pepper in their food. They like the colorness of it.
Yeah. Presentation. Presentation for me.
It's really good. This is a big fish.
That was a big fish.
Big fish.
Big fish.
Wow. Ooh.
Appreciate y'all. We appreciate y'all.
All the time.
All the time. Just remember that, y'all. Every single one of y'all.
Ooh.
Yo,
Now I know why I don't like cold water.
I just ate a part.
Full of seasoning. It makes me cold. I don't like cold water.
Are you gonna put the ice? Wow.
Ooh. Yo, I'm cold now. Never happened to you? You ever drink something that's cold and when you drink it, you just automatically like cold all of a sudden? And I don't like to be cold.
Them okras is good as hell.
I know. I should find them.
For real? Mom, when you find them, okay, yeah, you don't live over here.
That's what I'm saying. It looks like I think what it is, because it's very, like, it's not cooked out where it's slimy. See, I don't like that.
She did it perfect.
Yeah.
Wow!
You know what?
Family. This one's gonna be short and sweet. Alright? Listen up now. It's y'all time now. Y'all got this far, so might as well just wait for it, okay? First lady, ready? Family, a hungry stomach and a empty wallet and a broken heart teach you the most valuable lesson in life. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Let me say it again.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. Family. A hungry stomach and a empty wallet and a broken heart teach you the most valuablest thing in life.
That's a good one.
Thank you.
I love it.
Good. Love when you love it.
I love it.
So let me know if you can relate to something like that. Yo.
Family, that's what I was full 5 minutes ago. You see how many bites I've taken after that?
Just stop it, please. First they said she's full. Hey, I didn't want to help her today. You started looking again?
Sorry.
Yo, this thing is so seasoned in here.
Honey, I forget that I'm gonna have it.
Family,
I can't stop looking at you.
we're gonna go because I have to get up in this. I don't know you don't want to see me get up in this fish head.
I'm pretty sure they do.
You think so? The food is done. That's all they want to see is the food.
The food is
Right? That's all you come for the food. You don't care what we talk about, right? Let me know.
Let us know.
Let me know what y'all come to this channel for. We never asked you that before.
That is true.
Yeah, family. Let us know what you come to this channel for.
That is true.
For the food? Or you come to just chill with us and just chit chat and just enjoy our company. Let us know. Comment down.
Or also for the nonsense that we be talking, or the fuckeries. How we be talking.
But whatever y'all come here for, we appreciate y'all coming.
That's true.
And keep coming.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, and bring more people.
Bring more people when you come.
Bring more people.
But we care.
Okay, enough. I am full. Okay?
Yes.
Oh my
You
God.
just took a next bite, huh?
That's it.
Yeah. Alright, fam. I'm gonna go because I know you don't want to see me eating that fish head.
This turn call meal is banging.
Mommy, big up yourself. Done know the thing set already. Alright. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe. We are the Greedy Couple. And they are
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there. And we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yeah, they gone. Yeah, they gone. Enjoy my boy now. They gone. Long time they left, you know? You know that?
Oh, Tom,
That shit was good
I
as
never
fuck.
have a turn call meal like this in my life.
I could count on my hand how much time I ate this as a kid. I promise you.
Turn call meal.
I don't remember.
No.
Like,
listen, I understand
Yeah.
what you mean. I'm gonna tell you why. Because I've never had turn call me like this. Because my family didn't make it. They just didn't make it. When they did make it, you know who it was for. But I've had turn call meal with coconut milk and butter, and then you put, syrup or you put whatever on it. You understand? But like this, I've never had it like this. You know, so, because so my family's fancy enough.
Thank you for.
Yeah, they gone.
They go, yeah. So
Look.
we could talk.
Yeah.
We could talk our language.
Yeah. My family's
But
fancy.
you have some of them will still be there. Yeah. Then there's some nosy ones too.
Yo, I can't eat anymore. This
Tom,
is good.
Who used to can them fish like me, my youth?
Nobody can name fish.
Real talk, my youth.
When I went to the house.